Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back. So for today's video guys, susunduin ko si Rain sa school. Kasi meron siyang lesson about yung pwede mo siyang iwan sa bahay, yung certificate, parang ganun. Ano din siya ng school, covered ng school. And guys, yung weather dito guys, nag-snow ulit nung nakaraan, pero ngayon guys, maganda na yung weather. Yan, siguro patapos na to kasi malapit na mag-March. Ilang araw na lang, March na naman. Napakabilis ng araw. Yan. Kamusta kayong lahat guys? Ang tagal ko na lang hindi nagbablog. Busy kasi sa work, medyo walang time para sa libangan. Yan. Tsaka mga bata kasi. Priority syempre mga bata. Pero guys, ang bilis ng araw. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, ang bilis talaga lumipas ng araw dito sa Canada. Yan. Tignan nyo guys yung unahan guys. Ayun na siya guys. Kumapal ulit yung snow pero hindi naman ganun kalala yung snow. Yung sabi sobrang lala ng snow. Sakto lang. Yan. Tsaka naglulusaw na siya. Punta tayo sa school. Sunduin natin si kuya. I-pick upin ko siya. Yung school pala guys ng anak ko guys, napakalapit lang dito sa tinidalhan namin. Siguro parang 10 minutes walk yata ito. 5 minutes lang eh. 5 minutes ganun. Nagtapo pa nga akong basura eh. Dapat nandito na ako kanina pa eh. Itong lugar namin guys, ano kami? Sa west. Northwest pala kami. Maganda rin yung mga neighborhood dito, tahimik. Malapit sa school. Yan sa may banda dyan. Playground na niya sa may banda dyan. Tas dito, may isa pang playground dito. Yan, kung gusto maglaro ng mga bata during summer, pwede. Yan. Tapos itong nilalakaran ko, yung diretsyo na yan, kakanan ka dun sa may dulo. Dollarama na yan, tapos grocery, Safeway. Kung wala kang sasakyan, ganyan, pwede kang bumili ng kahit na pa konti-konti, tapos maglakad ka na lang. Lapit lang dito. Yung Walmart medyo malalayo, pero yung Safeway, pwede kang bumili dyan. Yung Battle Depot, dyan lang sa may unahan, Battle Depot. Tapos ano ba? Yan, kompleto rin dito. May fire station dito sa kabila. Dito sa may kabilang sa may kabilang side. Fire station, McDonald's. Meron ding registry. Yan, malapit lang yung registry dito sa amin. Kompleto. Tapos ito, school ng kuya, school ng anak ko. Yan. So see you mamaya guys. So yun guys, na-pick up na natin si kuya. And what can you say about your lesson for today?
Good.
How is
Now
it?
what if there's danger, we know what to do.
So danger. What
Like
else?
if there's fire, there's something poison that's spilled.
Ito sa kabila. Tapos ano pa yung mga pinag-aralan niyo? Tingin ka dito.
Nag-aral namin, do not put random plastic stuff in a microwave.
Ayun, okay.
And
You learned a lot for today?
yeah, I know how to call 911 na, away na kayo.
Wow! Good job! Ano pa yung sabi sa'yo nung
So sabi daw,
teacher mo?
ask daw daddy kung kailan mo ambulance, firefighter, or police. If there's
Tapos?
like somebody who's trying to break in your house, you call police. If you
Okay.
get something hurt, then call ambulance. If
Ambulance,
there's a
yeah.
fire, then call firefighters. And
Wow!
also,
So how'd you know? So
and And
So,
also, Daddy.
overall, let's say, you will gonna call just 911.
Yeah.
911 for emergency like ambulance, firefighter, police, and what else? That's all right?
No. They will ask you who's your name. They will
What's
ask
your name? Yeah.
They will ask your address and what happened.
And then?
That's all it.
Oh.
don't know
So now you are ready, right?
Yes. Where's
So-
Mama?
It's home. She's waiting for you. So I'm so excited, and I'm so glad to hear that he learned a lot for today. You know, like last time, because last time we're just planning about his lesson.
Hi, Augie.
Minamit ko siyang classmate niya, guys. Friendly talaga yung mga bata dito eh. Yan. So how's the weather today?
Good.
You feel better? Or
Hi, Alejandro.
kita nga si Alejandro. So yun guys, nakakatuwa guys kasi guys may mga ganong lesson dito sa Canada na for the meantime pag meron kayong mga pupuntahan na saglit lang, hindi nyo pwede silang iwan ng matagal. Yung
You can iwas ng long time because na-aral ako madami.
but you cannot accompany, right? Yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah, see? It's so nice.
Magkakam ako, Daddy, when I'm grade 6 for babysitting.
Grade 6. So grade 6 meron ka ng babysitting subject.
Opo, bukas, nampasok na grade 6 for the home alone.
Home
So,
alone tomorrow.
bukas, grade 6 yung na pasok, grade 5 and grade 6.
Tapos, sige, videohin kita dali. Tapos, ano pa? So, grade 6, yun na yung pwede ka mag-babysitting, ganun.
Opo,
Ah,
grade 6 and grade 5.
grade 6 and grade 5. So, next year, ano ka na? May ganun ka ng...
Bukas, grade 6 and grade 5 are going to school for babysitting, aral.
Oh, okay.
Kasama ni Alejandro.
That's good. That's the good thing about that, right?
Yes.
I think the weather right now is way better than last week. Because last week is like a double digit, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's double digit last week, right? So now I think it's negative, but you know, like it's just a typical day. You know?
The class
Negative 3.
The class we learned in was 1A.
Mm-hmm.
Learned about how to use phone.
Okay, so yeah, but we're gonna
So whatever you
put some
Sadly though, be
numbers.
careful of what you search
Yeah.
because it won't actually be disappearing. It will be staying there.
Yeah.
And also,
And you know, like
Daddy, there's this one rule of cell phone. Do not share your email or information.
of course, that's the very important thing about managing phone. You know, like at your young age, you are not totally allowed to, you know, to
And Daddy, if there's
keep your phone alone.
if there's like if you have a house and the door's broken and there's a white van parked, then go to the nearest thing or neighbor,
Okay.
or you can go to the nearest school.
So yun guys, malapit na kami sa bahay ni Kuya. Malapit na kami makauwi. Kunti na lang. Bilis na naglakad. Ang sarap maglakad ngayon. Parang alam mo, normal na weather lang. Tapos guys, yung puno guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Guys, so may mga suwi, may mga ano na siya, sibol na siya ng ano sa dulo ng mga puno. Siguro malapit na yan. Ilang linggo pa, tapos yan na, spring na ulit. Yan, dito na kami nakatira, malapit na. Dito na kami. Clear na yung snow guys. Kung titingnan nyo guys, ayun guys, yung tambak dyan, meron dyan. Yan. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa araw na to. Say bye-bye Kuya. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching guys. See you for the next video.
And also go check my channel.
Oh.
The channel name is RKJ in Canada Vlog.
His channel daw is RKJ in Canada Vlog. So thank you for watching guys. See you for the next video. Thank you. Adios.